What is going on, folks? Before we get started with the video, make sure you check the description below. Hit the link, help out the channel. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Now, to the video. Good morning, Joe's RV Life. I haven't even had time to do anything this morning. I just got up probably about 30 minutes ago. Got the dog on the leash over here. She's pottying. Let me spin y'all around real quick so I can tell y'all more of this. Alright, here we go. Now, I've always been told, and I've watched on YouTube plenty of times, that they say Grenada Lake can be ugly when she wants to. Well, just spoke to somebody this morning, and right now they say she's being fair. What's going on? So I know it'll get a lot worse than that right there. Alright, so we're gonna, that's an edit. This has been kicking since about 4 this morning. At least we got a peaceful night's sleep there compared to the other park. I like that scenery right there. That's just that little spot right there. I don't know. Anyway, let me get in the house so we can do something this morning and cook. That'll be a separate video. That'll come before this one though. Y'all done been seeing that before y'all see this. Alright, well, let me go find something else to do this morning after I cook. Let me cut back in here real quick before I go inside. There is the boss of the trip right there. Huh. Are you the boss of the trip? Are you the boss of the trip? Yeah. That's the boss right there, ain't it? Are you the boss? Are you the boss? Huh? That's my baby right there. Alright, now I'm gonna go find something else. Alright, folks. We had breakfast and now we're out here checking things out. We're about 15, 16 miles north of the campground. That just shows you how big the lake is. There's only 3 boats out here. They got this bridge closed. Couldn't go across it like I wanted it to be, but I know a certain time of the year out here that a lot of your crappie fishermen, they like to go north of the bridge here. But I see a lot of tree limbs and a lot of stumps up through here. Oh, I bet that would be a pain in the butt. One of the people off of YouTube that I watched that fishes here clocked his propeller on a stump out here one time. Alright, I'll swing y'all around so y'all can check it out. There's the bridge. I mean, way out there you got a point. Okay, and then on the other side of the point is the campground I'm sitting at. And I ain't talking about that right there. I'm talking about way out there. But yeah, there's your bridge. Everybody goes on the other side of the bridge. But they got it closed, so I can't show y'all that. Even got some water right up in here. Yep, y'all see it, don't you? This is the boat ramp. Nothing special. So there's nothing special about the boat ramp, other than you can probably put 5, 6 boats in it. Come over here and check this out real quick. See what they got. Boy, folks, y'all got to do better at these boat ramps. Just a bunch of garbage. It looks like the lake was even higher than what it is now. At one point, might have went down. Y'all, I just drove, when I get back to the campground, I would have drove 30 miles for this little shot right here. Y'all come on, give me thumbs up and subscribe. Costs money to make this rig roll. Hit that Cash App up. My dog is crying for me. Let me show you. Look at her. Look at her. Sitting at the window waiting. You see me? You see me? Huh? Look at her. What? There's nobody out here, so I'll let her do it. Alright, that's enough. Alright, let me make another move. Alright folks, back in the truck and we're trying to find something else to do. It looked like it wanted to rain this morning, but looks like the day is going to be nice and pretty. So I'm thankful for that, for sure. Y'all get to see what I'm talking about here in a minute on the other side of the bridge. It'll show you here in a second. Alright. As y'all can see over there where all them logs and stuff are. Right there. So yeah. That's where they like to come fish at over there. This lake is home to some monster crappie. And I know while y'all watching this video, y'all would have known by now that old Blue is gone. I don't know if there'll be another boat in the future. I do know if there is another boat in the future, it will be an aluminum boat. For sure. I loved old Blue though. Just I'm changing directions, and even if I did get a boat, it's only going to be for my personal use, and y'all will never see it on YouTube. So I don't know, y'all might see it behind the camper if I'm filming the camping trip part, but there's not going to be no fishing. Well, I'm headed to check this park out that I happened to pass by, and it is just pretty down here. Looking for right here, the state park, the Dogwood Golf Course. Let's see if there's anybody in the office. Please deposit entry fee and honor box with no attendant in present. What, do you gotta pay just to ride? Somebody in here? I don't think there is. I'm not giving them $3 just to go look at their RV park. I just refuse. Because that's ridiculous. I'm not coming in here to use the park. I'm just going to look at the campground. It's bad enough. I tried to get into this park yesterday. Lady picks up the phone. I asked her how much the price was. The person couldn't even tell me. And they worked there. already see it's a no-go for me, because what I've always said, I don't deal with ignorance. So Huge White State Park, once again I say, any state park and state lake in Mississippi ain't worth a crap. You get these people that own these RV parks, and you give them that little bell over their head to where, oh, I can make rules and do what I want, and then they take advantage of it and run campers off. Because I could sit on my own property and do what I want. I mean, I understand you can't act like you at home when you're in an RV park, but they're gone. Some of the rules get ridiculous. Pretty scenery. Ahead, lake. Well, I guess you got people out here that can't figure that out, not unless they done had a car run off in here, which is absolutely insane. Yeah, you're not going to get in there that easily. You're going to take out some trees. There's a whole railing right there. Another deer. Oh, well, folks, they're out here everywhere, I tell you. This one here looks a little bit smaller than the other ones. Oh yeah, this is just a small boat ramp. Alright, let me get back out on the highway and find us something else to look at. Alright folks, we're almost back to the campground, but we're on this scenic road, and I wanted y'all to check this out. To stamp y'all a picture. Anyway, this is a pretty route through here. This here is a walking trail. That Army Corps out here has been working. They were in the RV park, now they out here doing something. That part closed down. Looks like it's been closed down for a long time. But yes, this is a very pretty highway. Beautiful day too. View post. Oh, that's VFW post. I'm sorry. There's plenty of stuff to do out here, folks. Miss Katie's been having a good time. She's had her head out the window over 99% of the time we've been riding, so I haven't been going real fast so she can hang her head out. She likes doing that. Alright, we're going to come over the emergency spillway here. And the lake is off to your right. Go across the dam one more time, and then y'all won't see it no more. It'll be the last time. I'm gonna do a little. It might be a little different because we're coming from a different direction. So I don't know if y'all want to look at it again, but there it is. I'm not going to show y'all the whole, all the way from one end to the other. I'll edit some of it out as we go, so that way it'll be quick and simple. Because some of y'all might have enjoyed this. There's still a swirl down there. I don't know. What's confusing me is the state park. There's a state park behind this dam to the left. Okay? And then the state park we just went to over there, it was doing too much there, I felt like. It's the same name. Katie, are you enjoying that? That is a great view on that side. Girl, I hope you're enjoying yourself. Get it, Katie. Mirror's just a flopping, y'all. Shasta over there. Alright. No more tours of the damn dam. Alright, let's go check this boat ramp. Alright folks, here we are. Got several things going on here. I'm trying to figure out where the boat ramp is. There's my neighbor right there. It smells like fish out here. Lake ahead. There's not much room for error out here. But there's your boat ramp. One of them. And then you got you some bathrooms over here, and you got you some pavilions. I would love to fish up in them cypress trees. I almost feel like there's something there. I'm gonna say some of this is not supposed to have water by it. Got a fish cleaning station, men and women's bathroom. Then you got your pavilion over here. That's all that right there. Alright, let's get out and check it out. Alright folks, what's going on? We're out here. Got out the truck. We're just walking. Checking it out. Enjoying the day. I've still enjoyed my trip with all the little problems that has happened along the way, but it's alright. It's more than all right. Well, all right, well, let me swing y'all around real quick so y'all can see. That's something else, ain't it? All the way up in here. I'm thinking this water's way up. I have a feeling that ain't supposed to be there. That's a big old dam, though. That's for sure. That is for sure. Come on, Katie. Come on, Katie. Look at that. You got your house up there, a pavilion. Them brown buildings over there is bathrooms. Got your barbecue grill. There's Betty White. Alright folks, let's head back to the camper. Well folks, we finally made it back to the camper. Oh, excuse me. Had something to eat. Looks like it's gonna rain this afternoon. So, this is the last day in this park. We're gonna leave sometime in the morning. So, make sure you like and subscribe. And let's get out and get it. Peace out. I love y'all.